Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Brihaspati, be the best version of yourself. I'm Sneha Pranav. Today I come up with a beautiful topic, time to say topic, a temple. We are going to discuss about a temple. Having said that, if anybody is not subscribed to my channel, please do like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I'm Sneha Pranav. Today we are going to talk about the beautiful topic and the temple which is Pal Vananadhar Temple, Sri Pal Vananadhar Temple, which is located in the southern part of India, which is nested with its own beauty, culture, and everything. So, having said that, Sri Palvananatha Temple, a revered spiritual destination in the hearts of standard as a testament to rich culture and heritage of Hinduism from South India, with its intricate architecture, vibrant rituals, and deep rooted historical significance. The temple attracts thousands of devotees and tourists alike each other. This sacred site not only serves as a place of worship but also as a focal point of community engagement and cultural preservation. So in this particular video, we are going to explore temples history, architecture, marvelous culture practices, and vital role which it plays in South Asia's surround and various visitors, how they are handling it, shedding lights on its enduring legacy and future aspirations. It is nested, as I said, it is nested in the landscapes of Tamil Nadu. Sri Palvananatha temple is splendid testament to religion, rich culture, and religious heritage. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva in his form as Palvananatha, as a Palvananatha stands as a hub of spirituality and local tradition, drawing devotees and curious travelers alike, whether you are seeking divine blessings, cultural insights, or just peaceful escape from hustle bustle. This temple has something for you and for everyone. So it is located, as I said, it is located in the serene village Kilianur. The temple is easily accessible from major cities like Chennai and Pondicherry. Visitors can reach the temple by short drive or adventure, however they would like to do. Sri Palvananatha temple plays a vital role in the spiritual landscape of Hinduism. Revered as a sacred site, it embodies devotion, reverence, and the timeless connections between deities and devotees. The origin of Sri Palvananatha temple has steeped in the legend dating back several centuries, with its own exact dates are surrounded with mystery, and we cannot tell the exact date. And it is believed that the temple was found by a group of ardent devotees during the period marked by flourishing art and spirituality in South India. This temple architecture is as a blend of traditional Dravidian style and intricate craftsmanship with its own towering gopurams. It's a gateway tower. It is like a beautiful, which contains colorful sculptures of deities. This temple, along with that, this temple's treasures are its iconic sculpture and artifacts, each telling its own story. His story is telling a story of its own. It is very intricately carved stones relief depicting divine scenes to ancient bronze idols that shine uh, very much. So, at the heart of Sri Palvan and other temples, allure are its daily rituals, which are steeped in traditional and spirituality. The modern rituals commence with the melodic chanting of mantras, and the fragrance of incense fills the air, and the devotees gather for prayers throughout the day. You can witness priests performing elaborate ceremonies, including Abhishekam of a deity, bringing atmosphere of devotion uh, that is highly beautiful. The temple comes alive during major festivals, particularly during Mahashivaratri and the annual temple festivals, when thousands of devotees flock to sparkle in the festivals. Except always, you expect a vibrant processions, energetic music, and captivating dance performances as a community comes together in a joy of celebration. Music and dance play a vital role in the temple's cultural practices. Traditional Carnatic music often resonates through the temple during worship and festivals, creating an external ambience that enhances extreme spiritual experiences. For those planning a visit, a few guidelines can enhance your pilgrimage experience. Dress modestly, as I say every time for the kids. Uh, when we are going to a spiritual thing, we need to follow our tradition. Think of its opportunity to channel your inner yogi. I also want to quote a few other things. The temple is equipped with essential facilities to make your visit comfortable. Clean restrooms and drinking water stations are available, and also safety is also measurable here. Safety measures always taken here. After soaking into spiritual vibe of Sri Palvan and other temple, venture out to explore nearby attractions. The stunning, it's an extra bonus point for you. The stunning natural beauty of Kilianur offers picturesque landscapes perfect for leisure stroll or a picnic. I also want to tell you, Palvan and other temple where spiritually meets a hearty dose of community spirit. This temple is not just a place of worship, it's a local living room where everyone gathers, shares good vibes, and exchanges stories. From hosting daily rituals to festival celebrations, the temple serves as an art of the community, fostering a sense of belonging and connections. It's where we can see Meena and Raja debating best festival dish. Who needs a reality show when you have a drama, right? So this is also, if you are usually you're just watching there, maybe you know that. If you don't know that, it's okay. I also want to quote you, like, now let's talk about the temple's charitable activities, which makes Santa's gift giving look like a child's play. The temple regularly rolls up its sleeves and engages in outreach programs that help the less fortunate people. So it's a great thing. When it comes to teamwork, Sri Palvananatha temple isn't shy about reaching out to its neighbors, collaboration with with other temples, creating a beautiful tapestry of unity and shared purposes. I also want to tell you, in a world often feels like it's spinning out of control, Sri Palvananatha temple stands as a steadfast guardian of cultural heritage. This place is treasure trove of historical art, inscriptions and architecture that tell stories of generous past, and preservation efforts are in full swing here. I also want to tell you, conserving this gem isn't all sunshine and butterflies. The temple faces its fair share challenges, such as funding shortages and environmental threats and keeping the surrounding clean. So it is always there that uh, every temple or the spiritual places faces it. Fortunately, the future isn't all dome and gloom. The temple has put on its thinking cap and drawn up ambitious plans for conservation initiatives, including fundraising campaigns, partnership with local organization, and can leverage digital technology to document and showcase its historical significance. To conclude this, I want to say a few things as we gaze into the crystal ball that in the future it clears that Sri Paul and another temple will continue to beckon of generous and generations to come. The impact it had on the community is like a ripple on the pond, steady and far reaching. Future generations will inherit not only the temple structure but also its value of community service, cultural pride, and spiritual unity. It's like passing down a family recipe only instead of a curry. It's a recipe for fulfilling life. I also want to tell you a few other things with a keen eye on future. The temple is committed to remaining relevant in its ever-changing world. They are exploring modern programs that resonate with today's youth, from mindfulness retreats to iterative and interactive culture workshops. By adopting to the needs and interest of new generations, Sri Polvan and other temple is determined to remain a cornerstone of community life who says spirituality and modernity can coexist. I also want to tell you here is the Sri Palvananada temple, a sanctuary of faith, a hub of community, and a nurturing ground for future. May its legacy continue to shine and inspire hearts of many moons to come. In the conclusion, Sri Palvananada temple is more than just a place of worship, it's a vibrant hub of culture, community, and spirituality. Its rich history and architectural beauty continue to inspire and attract visitors from each and every corner of the universe as the temple navigates the challenges of conservation and strives to remain relevant for future generations. Having said that, you may ask me certain questions, it will rise to your mind. So let's get jump into the QA session. You may ask me like what are the main festivals celebrated at Sri Palvananada temple. The temple hosts several major festivals throughout the year that includes inserting naming ceremony or something like attracting large crowds and involve various cultures, as we always say Mahashivaratri. You can ask me how can I reach to Sri Palvananada temple. The temple is conveniently located at the Kiliano, so you have all the plans and all rest of the things we already discussed in our call, in our video. So having said that, I'm Sneha Pranav. Welcome back once again. I welcome you to my YouTube channel Brihaspataye. Be the best version of yourself. I hope this video was useful for you. If anybody is not subscribed and to my channel, please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon which is right next to subscribe button for future update. Whenever I'm posting the video, you will get it right away. So stay safe, be safe. Bye bye.